Hermes scarves are on the back of Gigi and Kendall's horses at Vogue World. There are 8 altogether. We'll go through them rapid fire. First one we see here is the one on the back of Kendall's horse. Match these 2 wheels to those 2. And the first scarf that she is wearing brings by Philippe LeDoux. We're going to take a look at this pink one. Recognize this heavy chain, and she is wearing Timbalier by Marie-Françoise Héron. Take a look at Kendall's other side. Matched it here. If that looked familiar, it's because I already ID'd it in A Simple Favor with Anna Kendrick. Scarf is Chiens and Valets by Charles-Jean Hallo. Lastly, for Kendall, we have this one hiding. Frankly, this was not enough detail to make a match, but I found this photo on Instagram where you can see way more of the scarf here. Matched here. Actually never seen this scarf before, so it took a while to find, but this is a Bois Dormant, and I don't know who it's by either. So if you do know, please let me know. Let's do Gigi Hadid. First, we have this one, and we can basically see the whole scarf. Went ahead and matched it anyway, and that one is Carrick a Pompe by Philippe LeDoux again. We're going to take a look at this one on Gigi's side. I've matched this rope detail to that rope detail. If this one looks familiar as well, it's because it's the same one that Kendall was wearing before. Over to her other side, I couldn't find the exact colorway, but here is my match. This one is Grand Apparat by Jacques Eudel. Last, but most certainly not least, we have this scarf hiding at the top, matched here. And that scarf is the ever so classic Breathes to Gala. I have an edition of that one on today. And thank you to Hermes Bonbon for suggesting this. As always, if there is anything else I can take a look at, please let me know.